Howdy y'all, my name's Z66 or Zakag, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and welcome to my channel. I have quite a few different things I do on this channel, including car repair, which is a big chunk of it. I have a little bit of foreign and domestic that I do. Now on this channel we also have my initial reviews of devices and tools called premature evaluations. We have tool recovery where I get old tools and bring them back to life and clean them up. We have anatomy of failure where I go over why a part failed and I explain some of the issues. I've also done some financial information, including how to finance a gun through Bud's Gun Shop. Might be something interesting for everybody on this channel. And along with repairing an odd assortment of domestic and foreign cars, we also do a bit of cooking on this channel. And I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to take a moment to like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out. You never know what might be popping up. It might be something new that you like. That's all I got to say. You have a good one. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace the coolant overall reservoir on my 2001 2500 heavy duty. And the easiest way to do this kind of stuff is to look at this. We've got a sensor on the bottom, some bolts, and this is going to be doorman item number 6030-1. Alright, so first, so the first part on this is to take this hose off. It'll come loose, the clip. Yep. Nice. Take that coolant hose off, and then you've got one on the bottom that goes on the heater. Alright, so I pulled it off. You've got this hose down here. There's like I showed you, this is just a drain hose out. Now this bolts in right down there, and that's an actual bolt, and that's just a nut that goes on top of it. Take those off and it just slides right up. Alright y'all, I'm gonna let y'all watch me to the best of my ability to record this because I'm only one bro here out here. So you want to obviously plug this sensor in before you bolt it down, because I'm sure you could probably put it back on there, but it'd be hellaciously fun. You've got this bolt here, got your overflow lines there. Get this out of the way. Put that in properly. Alright. Put that one bolt there. Then you got this bolt, and I'm going to have to run that down with basically right. Now you've got this line that goes here, and this line that goes down in here to where my water pump would be. But I've already pulled that off, and I got to replace it. Not quite to the replacing the water pump part yet, but I mean it's not super hard to do. It just clips in. There you go. Alright, well I hope this little bit helped you. You have a good one. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, underinsured, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.